the best part of Lake Poway?
Well, probably the lake itself, I guess. Most people use it. Lots of people fish there. And you can see paddle boats out there, and people like to use that part of it. And then I guess the second most popular is the big green bowl up here where everybody picnics.
Do you know any history about Lake Poway?
Yeah, it was built in 1972. It's a dam. It's not a natural lake. There's a dam, and it's about 7 acres in surface area. I don't know how many acre feet it holds. But its number one purpose is to provide backup water for the city of Poway. And they buy water from Metropolitan Water District or Imperial Irrigation District. They store it here, and then it goes into the system to the citizens of Poway.
What do you think makes Lake Poway and its environment so special?
Oh, I think because it's so pretty up here, for one thing, and there's lots of trees and lots of grass. And it's close to home. There's lots of people that live around here that come here and they don't live a half a block away. And then some people, we get people from Temecula and over the coast. So just as you can tell, it's a very popular place.
Okay.